Hi, today we're going to do lesson 4 of our how-to writing. Today we're going to revise our draft. So let's take a look at what we've done so far. Here is our steps of the writing process. So we've already come up with a plan that we were going to write about. Then we made a draft, which is where we wrote our how-to. Now we are on the third step, which is revising. So today we're going to add to or change our writing to make it better. So in front of you, you need your revising how-to writing checklist and your draft that you did the other day. Let's take a look at our revising how-to checklist. So it says, you will need section. Here you need to add words describing things that you need. The second part, the steps section, you need to add or change words telling exactly how to do an action. If a step has more than one part, add words to make the order clear, such as first, next, then, after, and finally. And then in the end section, you're going to tell more about why you like doing this activity, or why it is important. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you how I would use my revising checklist to revise my draft of clean a window. So how to clean a window. First, I'm going to look at my you will need section. So for this section, I have a roll of paper towels and a spray bottle of glass cleaner. Let me think. Is there any words that I can use to describe these things I need better? Well, the things that I've listed are already pretty clear. I have that I need the roll of paper towels, and I've already specified that I need a spray bottle of glass cleaner. So my what you need section is pretty good. Now let me take a look at my steps section. So here I'm going to look to see if I can add or change words so that I can tell exactly how to do an action. Then I'm going to look to see if I have any steps that have more than one part, if I can add words like first, next, then, after, and finally. So if I take a look, my first step is raise the blinds. That's pretty clear. Step 2, turn the nozzle of the spray bottle to on. That also is pretty clear. Step 3, spray glass cleaner on window. This step seems a little too general. I might want to add some words to make it a little bit more clear. Because when we want to spray the glass cleaner on the window, we want to make sure that we spray it evenly, all over the window. We don't want just a little bit on one part and a lot on others. So I'm going to add that in. So spray glass cleaner, I'm going to put a little caret so I can add my words in, and I'm going to write evenly. All over on the window. This way, it tells my reader exactly how to spray the glass cleaner. Let me take a look at the rest of the steps. 4, tear a paper towel off the roll. Wipe down the window surface. Well, here is a 2-sentence step, so I could use one of my transition words to help tell when to do it. So, tear a paper towel off the wall, then I could write, then wipe down the window surface. So I'm going to add another caret, and I'm going to write the word then. Number 5. Check for any streaks or smudges. Number 6, repeat steps 3 through 5 until window is clean. I think the rest of my steps are pretty clear. So now I'm going to move on to my ending. So in the ending section, I want to tell more about why you like doing this activity or why it's important. For my ending, I wrote, we can clean all of our classroom windows this way. That really doesn't tell why the activity is important. So I'm going to add another sentence saying why this is important. And I think it's important because it will make our room look nice. So I'm going to add a sentence in that says that. So I'm going to write, keeping the windows sparkling clean makes our room look nice. So now, I've added more detail to my ending, and I've told why it's important, or why I like doing it. So now my ending section has been revised. You are going to use your checklist to revise your draft. You are going to use the draft that you wrote about how to play tag. Make sure you read over each section carefully. Check off each one as you finish. It is really important to make sure that you at least change 1 or 2 parts on your draft. Please work carefully and good luck.